Hello there. Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into Top 5 Reimagine Home AI Alternatives. Number 1. Dreamhouse AI. Imagine walking into the home you've always dreamed of. The one that fits your style, personality, and every little wish you've ever had for a perfect living space. Dreamhouse AI brings this fantasy to life with a magical twist of technology. You start by telling the AI about your dream. A cozy reading nook by the window, a spacious kitchen where light dances on the countertops, or maybe a backyard retreat. With every click, Dreamhouse AI learns what your heart desires and turns those ideas into real, stunning designs. The best part? You don't need to be an architect. The AI handles the technical details, from room dimensions to perfecting color combinations that create harmony. Homeowners embarking on renovations can now confidently preview what their future home will look like, erasing all doubts and anxieties. The platform acts like a creative companion, holding your hand through the process of building not just a house, but a sanctuary. And with virtual reality tours, you can even step inside your dream home before it's built, feeling the excitement of possibilities. Number 2. DreamStaging.AI. Picture this. You're selling your home, and you know the empty rooms don't show its full potential. Every corner feels lifeless, and buyers struggle to imagine themselves living there. This is where DreamStaging.AI swoops in like a designer fairy godmother. You upload pictures of your bare or cluttered rooms, and in moments, the AI works its magic, transforming spaces with elegant furniture, cozy lighting, and just the right splash of decor to make hearts skip a beat. Potential buyers suddenly see the space not just as a house, but as their future home. The virtual staging captures the warmth, personality, and lifestyle they've been searching for. Whether you're a real estate agent aiming to win over clients or a homeowner eager to present your space in the best light, DreamStaging.AI gives your property that irresistible charm. And because it's all virtual, you don't have to deal with heavy lifting, expensive furniture rentals, or stressful setups. Instead, you get to watch as your home transforms into a dream setting, radiating with possibility. Number 3. InteriorAI. Have you ever stared at a blank room, feeling overwhelmed by the endless possibilities? That's the moment InteriorAI steps in, like a friendly guide whispering, "Don't worry, I've got this." You simply share your room's details, and the AI sparks into action, curating designs that speak to your style, whether you love minimalistic zen or bold, artistic spaces. It's more than just selecting colors or furniture. InteriorAI taps into your emotions, creating a space that feels like a reflection of your personality. You'll be amazed at how quickly it understands you, offering suggestions that make the room feel not just functional, but deeply personal. The platform even takes practical concerns off your plate, helping you maximize natural light, create flow in the space, or make small rooms feel bigger. For the first time, designing doesn't feel stressful or intimidating. It's exciting. Whether you're a professional interior designer looking to dazzle clients or a homeowner wanting to inject life into a room, InteriorAI ensures that every space you touch feels special, filled with warmth and meaning. Number 4. AI Home Design. Designing a home is one of the most emotional journeys we take. It's where dreams, hopes, and memories will unfold. But for most, that journey is filled with overwhelming choices and anxiety about getting it right. Enter AI Home Design, your digital partner in creating not just a house, but a home. From the moment you start, this AI begins by listening to your vision. Whether it's a tranquil retreat with floor-to-ceiling windows or a bustling family home with open spaces. As you add your ideas, the AI responds with thoughtful suggestions that feel like they came straight from a trusted friend who knows your style inside out. But it goes beyond aesthetics. AI Home Design ensures that every corner is practical, every wall sturdy, and every choice aligned with your budget. You'll feel empowered, confident, and excited about building your dream. Professionals in architecture and construction will also find themselves saving time, as the AI suggests innovative solutions that honor both creativity and structural integrity. In the end, AI Home Design doesn't just help you create a home, it helps you build the foundation of your future happiness. Number 5. Room AI. It is your ultimate design assistant, bringing a touch of creativity and personalization to every room in your home. Whether you're looking to refresh a tired bedroom, optimize a cramped kitchen, or turn a dull living room into a cozy haven, Room AI steps in with inspiring ideas that align perfectly with your vision. It doesn't just suggest generic designs. Room AI takes the time to understand your personality, preferences, and how you want to feel in the space. From there, it crafts layouts, color schemes, and decor suggestions that breathe life and emotion into every corner. The AI's real strength lies in its ability to balance style and function. Maybe you need more storage but don't want to sacrifice aesthetics. Or perhaps you want your living room to feel inviting without cluttering the space. Room AI provides solutions that make each room both beautiful and practical. Imagine transforming a cluttered office into a Zen workspace, or a small guest room into a luxurious retreat. Room AI takes the stress out of design, letting you explore endless possibilities with confidence and ease. You can visualize the changes before making any decisions, ensuring the space resonates with you emotionally, creating an environment where you feel relaxed, energized, or inspired. Whether you're a DIY decorator or simply someone who wants to love their home more, Room AI helps turn any room into a space that feels truly yours. These are the top 5 Reimagine Home AI alternatives.